In this video I will show you how to find the product name when you have a picture or a photo of this product. So for example, I got a photo but I don't know the product's title, the product's name. So I go to Google. In Google I will type Google image. Just go to Google image. You need to have your photo in your laptop or the device. In Google Images, click on camera icon, and here click on upload an image. Here, upload an image, and then choose file. You need to search in your document or where you stored the file. So for example, I stored in pictures. I go to picture. This is the light. I don't know it's the name of this light. I just double click and then uploading file into Google Images. Uploading file to Google Images, and we will see what the file name, so that I can search it and purchase it online. So the file name is particularly compact fluorescent lamp. Compact fluorescent lamp. The image, again double check this one, compact fluorescent lamp, and they are different kind, different prices, different companies, retailers. So, and then I can search, type the name and search to purchase the product I want. Thanks for watching. Bye.